let's look at this problem here. It says if y is the natural log of 5x to the fourth minus x cubed plus 3x squared, you must find dy by dx. Alright, from looking at this you can see that there's no simple way of working it out using the straight differentiation, but what you have is a function of another function. ln of this is a function itself, right? The natural log of all of this is a function. It's the natural log of something, and then it's the natural log of what? It's another function. So it's a function within a function. So what you will use here is the chain rule. Alright, you can say that this is y equals the natural log of a function you call u. It's the natural log of ln u. Alright, now what is u? U is really 5x to the fourth minus x cubed plus 3x squared. That's what u is. Now the rule regarding the chain rule, it says that dy by dx is equal to dy by du multiplied by du by dx. Alright, so we want to find dy by du. Looking at this, right, since it says that y is equal to ln u, you know that when you find the derivative of ln of something, you end up with 1 over that something. So what you have is dy by du. That means u is the variable. The function is a function of u. So you're finding dy by du, derivative of y with respect to u. It is equal to 1 over u. So that is what dy by du is. Now we need to find du by dx. This is u. So du by dx is equal to, now we use the power rule. You know that when you have 5x to the fourth, it's 5x to a power. You're going to bring 4 down in front and multiply by the 4. Alright, so what you have is 4 times 5x to the power of 4, but then you're going to minus 1 from the old power to get the new power. So you say 4 minus 1. Right, minus. Let's do this part now. You bring down the 3 and say 3 times what you have here. Right, so it's going to be minus 3 times x to the 3, but then you need to reduce the old power by 1 to get the new power, so you minus 1. Alright, you don't reduce the power over here, you do the working out over here. Alright, leave this as it is. I'm just showing that you bring the old power down, multiply it, and then you reduce the old power by 1 to get the new power, but all of that working out is being done over here. Then plus 3, but the thing is, you don't write the 3 yet, you bring the 2 down, multiply it by the 3. Remember the rule. So it's 2 times 3 x to the, and then you reduce the whole power by 1, x to the 1. So let's find out what du by dx is. Du by dx, we simplify this. 4 5 is 20, x to the 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 3x to the 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's 3x to the 2, plus 2 3 6 6x, x to the 1 is just x. Alright, now we have dy by du and you have du by dx. So what you do now is say dy by dx is equal to dy by du. Dy by du is 1 over u. It's 1 over u times du by dx. And du by dx is 20x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x. But the thing is now, what was u? U was 5x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 3x squared. And when you say 1 over all of that is the same as the 20x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x over this. So let us just simplify this from now and put everything over u, but u is this, so let's change it, change the u to this, 5x to the 4th minus x cubed plus 3x squared. So that is what you get for dy by dx. Now you could factorize, take x as a common factor up here, take out x squared as a common factor here, and simplify. Alright, now where should we do that? We have limited space to work with here. Let's just erase what we have up here and finish off everything up here. So what we have here now, let's finish off everything in black. We have x outside the bracket, 20x squared minus 3x plus 6 when you simplify. So this is going to be dy by dx, remember, and we have x squared outside the bracket here, so we have 5x squared minus x plus 3 inside the bracket. Then you see x cancel itself, x into x goes 1, this x is gone, and then x into x squared goes x alone, so we have x, and then we don't really need these brackets up here, so we can get rid of these brackets. Alright, that's what you would end up with. Alright, so this is dy by dx. So anything you're still not clear on, just leave it in the comments, let me know what's going on, and I'll look at what you have to say. So that's it for now.